Hello guys, here the Winter Rider. For some time along, I wanted to start to creating some videos to upload on YouTube for you to watch, but unfortunately, I only had my cell phone and I was mounting it on the RAM mountain on my handlebar, so quality and audio was pretty much bad, as you could know. But since past this Sunday, I just got a GoPro, a Hero 3, not the best, not the worst. So here I'm gonna be starting to upload maybe every week a short video or not about traffic infractions or pedestrians that don't look or whatever other sticky situation can happen to me. Uh, and as my name says, I ride also in winter time. I live in Riga, Latvia. If you know, northern Europe can get quite cold during winter months. Anyway, uh, here we go. I'm trying to go for more supplies for the GoPro, like an extra memory card to do some updates. I will be showing you around the nice city of Riga. And also, I do drive a BMW G310GS from the year 2018, so when I bought it. And until now, this day, I have been reading about 18,024 kilometers around. Also, I will be kind of like focusing on the GS day by day or daily life, how you can live with it or how couldn't you live with it, what is to look out for it, how good is it or how bad is it. That's a personal review that I will be doing on personal experience from everyday riding. I'm riding my motorbike every day from home to work, commuting, and so on. Also, if I go visiting my girlfriend, I also go and take the motorbike. Uh, so it will be like experience day by day. How do you live with it? It doesn't matter. 360 days around the year. Uh, I will be trying to be as most objective as I can be, and hopefully you will like my content. And well, any comments you can write it down and let me know. Also, I will be trying to do some kind of like small tutorial videos on how to change the oil from your BMW G310GS or by the way the G103R. Also, how to change the spark plug, set your chain tension, lubricate, clean, change oil filter, air filter as well, and so on. I mean, the small technical things that you can do and won't damage your guarantee for the vehicle, for the engine. Hopefully, this drunk guy won't ask me anything. And he comes asking me or demanding me for a cigarette, and he keeps searching on the trash can for some cigarette anyway. Luckily, in some of the takes, you cannot see the speed. I do not like speeding up above the speed limit, but sometimes when I'm going into lane or splitting lanes, and I just get to the point where is the green line, and I have to accelerate, otherwise cars won't could harm me. So I do that sometimes. Sorry for that, guys. My God, for a moment I thought that car was just like go straight into my lane. Sometimes they do that, like they don't care. So I was a little bit afraid in that, but luckily he didn't do it. So, and whoops, obviously he didn't saw me or he didn't care. Well, probably I also could have stopped and let the guy go out of the parking lot, but then anyway, they have to wait, I think so. Well, that's the law. Being nice with the pedestrians as well, part of me. So there you have it. Okay, just don't give a flying beard about who's coming in front or not. I mean, you get my point, right? And anyway, you also can see a little bit of the architecture of Riga, not just only the grey houses, but also the nice wooden houses in between the urban area. It's a really lovely combination. I really like this city, although I'm not Latvian, but I do love it. So guys, I'm concluding this video. I think it's already long enough. I have said some things. You have seen some of the architecture of Riga. Uh, anyway, hope you like the channel. If you can subscribe. And I will try to update every week a video of what I see during my commute to work and home and so on. And if there's something special, you'll see it. Hopefully not every day, because then I will be scared every day to ride on my motorbike. But then anyway, have a nice one, guys. Bye.